Hey everybody, it's Marcus Savaglia with eXp Realty, and today I'm standing out front of my newest listing, 3209 North 6th Street. Let me get this camera turned around so everybody can see it. And due to all the COVID-19 stuff, we've got to make sure that we keep everybody safe, and I'll be wearing my mask as we go inside. We can't really do open houses anymore to show everyone who wants to come and see it what it looks like until this virus is under control. However, hey Tim, I think we're going to take a look at this nice 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom Cape Cod. It's built in the 1970s, steel beam construction. Great entryway. Oh, we should probably talk about the neighborhood real quick. Really nice neighborhood here. Hey Stephanie, quiet side of town on the far north side. The alderman for this district lives right over there, and he's got this really great pizza oven in his backyard. You definitely want to make friends with that guy. Hey, Steffi. As we enter the home, you get this nice foyer area, staircase that leads up. And then if you take this first door that leads to the master bedroom, a powder room, and the downstairs area, that leads to the family room or the fireplace room. And there's a formal living area right over here. This spot right here, hey Elizabeth, is a coat closet. And this room overall does have a lot of wood. This isn't paneling, it's actually more of a nautical style wood pieces for this room. Now I'm gonna start with the master bedroom. So as we get in here, we've got this really, hey Daryl, we've got this really awesome wallpaper going on. Solid surface. Good looking sink. Nice little half bath with some great wood floors. I probably should focus on the wood floors that are in this home here. Original to the house. Hey Bill. Good looking wood floors. This is the master bedroom. It's a nice size. That closet right there is the husband's closet. A little bit on the smaller side, not quite a walk-in. Hey, Mark. We have a like a area here for getting your makeup ready, and hi everybody. Right behind here is a perfect spot for a window. However, the current owner has just never found time to get it done. We've got a walk-in closet here. Hey Arashida, hey Jordan. We've got a master bathroom with good-looking shower. Surround. There's a nice sized tub here as well. And then, of course, just one vanity and toilet with a frosted window because the deck is right on the other side. Let me tell you, you want to take a look at this deck. Coming back out of the master bedroom area, we'll go through the living room next. So they've got a formal living room here. Great for hosting some family or friends and playing a little piano. Big bright windows. I've been told the windows are Andersen. And as we move into the formal dining room here, I can show you that they've got these blinds that are inside of the window. So you never have to worry about dusting them. But you always get that shade when you need it and the sun when you want it. From here, it moves into the kitchen. And if you look to your left, hey Jeff, you find the family room and this really awesome pocket door. We will check that out in just a little bit. However, in the kitchen, still on the solid wood. The appliances are going to come with this place. So the refrigerator, the dishwasher, and the Professional Series oven. It's got a warming drawer. I was just told that there's some really cool things with this this top piece. Becomes one. Hey, Jen. It also does convection. And then, of course, you get your microwave. We've got some Formica countertops in here. And the sellers have been considering anybody who puts in an offer on this at the right price, offering to put $3,000 towards countertops of their choice. However, it would have to be negotiated in. So if that's something that you'd like, let me know. Here we have lots of extra storage and a little workspace. And it is an eat-in kitchen. There's plenty of room for a small table, big enough for 4. Got the cutest little bay window here, and these screens do open up and catch a lot of breeze. And then there's like this little gangway. Hey, Ryan. So this leads to first floor laundry. Great to see in a home just off the kitchen. The washer and dryer would be going with the sellers unless the offer price is just right. They just installed this sink so that you'd have easy way to kind of wash some stuff off. And at the back of the house, hey everybody, we've got another half bath. Well appointed, some wainscoting going on here. It's a cute little room and very close to the entrance to the garage. So they've got a coffee bar set up right here and some more storage. It's a great little spot for your morning or you're coming home from work to throw down your keys and such. But here's the thing I was trying to say. You come in home from the garage, head right inside, and there's a bathroom that's close by, and that's important. One thing that you wouldn't normally notice, unless you really got in here, is that we have space for your riding lawnmower and your normal lawnmower or the snowblower. Plenty of extra room over here in the garage. These storage, hanging storage things will be staying with the home. This beautiful car does not stay with the home, though. It's going to go with them. So there's more storage up there, and it's really nice to have a little bit of extra storage for that stuff you don't use all that often, and it doesn't need to be temperature controlled. Heading back in from the garage, through the kitchen, we're going to finally make it to that family room, of course. Don't forget about that pocket door. This room also has those really nice original hardwood floors and a lot of built-ins over here. So there's room for your wine. We've got built-ins on the top and bottom below the TV. And this is a big size TV. I'd say it's probably close to that like 50-inch mark. So it fits in pretty well there. Here we have a fireplace. Now it used to be wood, I was told, but this is a gas insert. So that is gas right there. And then the best part about this this place, which is the patio. Now it's a patio deck combination, which you don't often see. So right below me, I'm on a small cement patio. When I say small, it does go quite a ways. But they also added an additional deck on the outside there, all the way up to the property line. And then all the way out to here. We've got plenty of room to entertain and hang out. There's a fire pit out here. That wouldn't necessarily come with the house, but I mean, it gives you some ideas. Nice little breeze coming through here right now, which I think is coming from Lake Michigan. Look at that. This is a beautiful view. Plenty of lake frontage is visible. Now, this property is not on the water, but the neighbors on this side and on this side have been very cool about making sure that if you wanted to be on the water, you could be. I'd love to wake up to this every morning. I wouldn't stand out here in the wintertime, but I would stand right about there and sip my morning drink of choice. I'll let you guess what that is. Hey, Brittany. Hey, Jillian. So the next part we're going to do is the upstairs of this home. I want to make sure I shut the doors. Of course, we got our front door here. We double back. And when we get to the top of the stairs, we're going to be finding the second bedroom. Now, the second bedroom does have some dormers in it. So we've got a nice big desk space over here. A window in this room on that side. And then this bed is a queen size with plenty of room on either side if you want to do nightstands. Extra storage over there into the attic space, and then a closet. Headed down the hall, we come across a recently remodeled bathroom. This was done in April of this year, or finished in April of this year, started a little bit before. We've got dual vanities in this one, so we've got number 1, hey there, and number 2, hey. And there used to be a door here. However, it was taken off because they really didn't feel the need for it anymore, or the previous owners didn't. Now, this shower, some really nice tile, great looking shower head, and a big tub. A nice, light, airy feel. And if if you wanted to, you could watch the lake while you sit. Hey, Carrie. Coming out of the bathroom, going down the long hall. Right here, you're going to find a lot of storage. It's kind of on the deeper side, but not too deep. And on the left is bedroom number 3. Now, this looks like another queen-size bed. It has 2 windows in this room with great lake views. I mean, let me get closer so the light isn't so differentiated, but you get a great lake view from this window. I don't know why you'd ever stand like here and try to get a lake view, but you do if you look through the trees. This one's got a bigger closet. And then we have a 3rd or a 4th bedroom up here that's built not even over the garage, over the kitchen area. So there's 2 what would be twin-size beds in here for when their grandkids come over. Nice big dormer area over here. And dual closets. Got one on this side, one on that side. And of course, more storage into the attic space eaves. This would be a great 2nd floor master style bedroom if you didn't mind walking down the hall to the bathroom. Now, you might be wondering what is through that door, or at this point you're like, what's this? Is a door. If you open that up, you'll find the original carpet. That is a great color. And then there's storage that goes around this corner. You can't see anything, sorry about that. And then it goes all the way down a little ways past where that shelving unit is there. Hey, Sam. Plenty of storage in here on your 2nd floor. Closing that up. That kind of covers the upstairs. As we head down, I do have to mention that the current owner is a pilot, so there's some pretty cool pictures of him flying his planes, like right over there. Hey, Stephanie. And when we get in the basement, there's some cool pilot stuff down here too. None of that comes with the house. I just like it. I think it's cool. We might lose connection. Hey, Gene. But let's see here. So we've got, this is what I'm calling the rec room, if you're looking at the plans. A really cool butcher block top countertop here. And when I first stepped in, I was like, man, this should be a nice bar area. But I was wrong. There's an even better bar area in this space. Right now they have this side set up kind of as the workout area. The pool table, and of course this light would come with. I don't know about the cues and everything, but I mean, if you wanted them, you let me know. We'll write them into the offer. I've got a closet back here. And then some, sorry about this, some nice built-ins on this side. Of course, you know, pilot stuff. As you round this corner, you actually find the even cooler bar area that I was talking about. Hey, Vanessa. We've got a backlit stained glass window there. Room for your glasses. There's active water here, so you can fill up a cup, wash out a glass, and plenty of space underneath the bar to store your favorite beverages. A nice little closet there. And I think I called this like an office bar area because this backside here would be perfect for a home office, especially if you need to see clients. You could send them to the side door here. And that color, I've been told, is not going to stay. Hey, Barb. Hey, Chris. And hey, John. I really wanted them to paint everything black but leave like exit written on there because of the whole pilot theme he's got going on here. But, you know, I'm just being silly. As we go out this door, you'll notice it's a walkout. Oh, they had some rocks holding that shut. I'll have to fix that before I leave. But of course, you get a nice view of the lake again here. And then you can also see it through this window. So as far as basements go, you've got this nice kind of sitting area, hangout area, bar area. And it doesn't feel like you're really in a basement. Until you get over here. This fridge will be going with them, but what is to notice here is the dual furnace. Now the dual furnace is pretty awesome. One heats the upstairs, one heats the first floor, and the basement area. We've got a brand new furnace there. This one's a little bit on the older side, but it's still working and in good shape. Hey, Greg. Also got a brand new Well, it looks like I lost connection there. Let me spin this around. Looks like we're going to have to do this a little bit differently. So there's a brand new water heater in there, but if I go in there, I'll lose you guys. So straight back, we've got plenty of storage. There is a hole back there that is from an addition that was put on the house. So there is a like a crawl space where you can store more things. And then if you were to go all the way to where that wall is and look to your right, there is storage that runs the entire length of the basement that's used just for storage shelves, and those storage shelves will stay. Not metal ones like this, but more built-in wood ones. Before we get out of here, I wanted to make sure that everybody got a tour of the outside, and I don't forget to fix those bricks that I pushed out of the way of that door. So I'm going to take you upstairs and show you the exterior and the neighborhood just a little bit more. When you exit the front door, got a corner lot. It's a quiet neighborhood. I'm guessing you can hear the birds and somebody mowing their lawn a little ways away. Here's your neighbors. Kids playing in their yard. The alderman's house. And then this beautiful home here. The exterior is wood and brick. The wood is stained yellow, so that's not paint. But of course, wood does need a little bit more care and love than you would find with vinyl siding. The roof has not been replaced since they've owned it. They've owned it for a couple of years, and best guess is say it's about halfway through its life. Definitely get a home inspection if you wanted to know more. Of course, you got your 2-car garage. Hey, Rose. And then a really big driveway. So I know I've kind of parked in the middle there, but you got space for 2 cars here, 2 cars in front of the garage, and then 2 cars in the garage. And then it brings you to the back. And this little gate here isn't going to stop me. I mean, it might. You might see me fall flat on my face. Not today. But that's just for their dog. And then you get that patio area again. Nice hangout space. And we're going to end this tour, hey Brittany, with the lake view. If you or anyone you know would like a tour of this place in person to really see what everything's about, give me a call, shoot me a message, and I'd be happy to show it to you. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.